cartoon was just a sample of Donald's 60 years of comedy entertainment. And today, we at the House of Mouse honor him.
And you thought Mickey was out to get you with another prank.
How about that?
Oh, Pumba!
Donald, where are you going?
You just keep eating these stink bugs, Piggy. Yeah, you're in training.
Hey, I told you to stop it.
You're chickening out, hey, Duck? Well, forget it.
Out of my way, Fatso.
Pumba, you're alive!
That's right! Donald saved me!
Wow, not only is he my pal, he's a hero.
The hero through and through! Except for just now when he teamed up with Pete to wreck the club.
Donald?
Oh, that was a secret. Timon, I should tell you I got a rumbly in my tumbly.
What? What? What?
He's gonna blow!
Run for your lives! For the love of Pete!
Everybody hide! Let's take cover!
Let's fly, Dumbo!
Yahoo! I can't smell anything anyway.
Donald, go!
That did not just happen.
You don't want to go out there.
So, trying to shut down the club again, huh?
And I would have done it too, if it weren't for that meddling duck.
Pete, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to ask you to leave.
You mean go outside? Oh no, my poor nose!